Hello, good morning, all my dear students. Today I would like to give you a lesson all about the prefixes. Now try to understand what is prefixes. Prefixes are a group of letters that change the meaning of a word when they are added to the start of the word. The prefixes, as for example, the prefix un, it is usually means not. So the new word means the opposite of the original word. As for example, happy, unhappy. Unhappy means not happy. It is just opposite. Next, kind, unkind. Unkind means not kind. It is also just opposite to the word kind. Now, listen more words of prefixes with the original basic word. The basic word, number one, judge. Judge, adding now prefix miss. It is now misjudge. Judge अंदाजा लगाना, misjudge गलत अंदाजा लगाना. Now sentence, Hasan Ali misjudged the catch. Hasan Ali ने कैच का गलत अंदाजा लगाया. Number two, serious, non-serious. Serious, संजीदा, non-serious, गैर संजीदा. Now, I am adding non with the original word serious. Serious, non-serious. I think he is non-serious in this issue. मेरा ख्याल है वो इस मामले में गैर संजीदा है. I think he is non-serious in this issue. Number three, standard adding prefix sub. It is sub-standard. Standard, मेयार, substandard, गैर मेयारी. Generally, milk sold is of substandard quality. Milk sold is of substandard quality. आम तौर पे फरोख्त होने वाला दूध गैर मेयारी होता है. Next, number four, the basic word, that is rate. Rate, shara. Now adding under, come. Rate, underrate. Rate adding under, it is now underrate. Rate, rate का मतलब यहाँ पर शरा अंडर रेट कम समझना. ओके. नाउ सेंटेंस, नेवर अंडर रेट योर ओपोनेंट. अपने मुखालिफ को कभी कम ना समझे. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज एस्टिमेट. एस्टिमेट, अंडर एस्टिमेट. एस्टिमेट using the prefix under. Now it is underestimate. Estimate means takhmeena lagana. Underestimate means galat takhmeena lagana. Now listen the sentence. The population of Karachi has been underestimated. The population of Karachi has been underestimated. Karachi की आबादी का कम तखमीना लगाया गया है. Next word, that is understand and misunderstand. Understand, misunderstand. Here we are adding the miss with the basic word understand. Now it is misunderstand. Understand means समझना. Misunderstand का मतलब गलत समझना. Don't misunderstand me. मुझे गलत मत समझो. Don't misunderstand me. मुझे गलत ना समझो. The next, number 7, responsible. Now adding the prefix responsible, irresponsible. Irresponsible, first thing, the basic word is responsible. It means zimmadar. Irresponsible means ghair zimmadar. Now using in sentence, Punjab police officers are mostly irresponsible. पंजाब के पुलिस अफसरान ज़्यादातर गैर जिम्मेदार हैं. The next word, that is obedient and disobedient. Obedient, adding the prefixes this. Now it is disobedient. Obedient, farmabardar, disobedient, nafarman. Disobedient students never achieve flying marks in the examination. Disobedient students never achieve flying marks in the exam. नाफरमान तालिब इल्म इम्तहान में कभी नमाया कामयाबी हासिल नहीं करते. The next, that is appear. Appear, disappear. Appear, using the prefix with the basic word, it is appear. Now the word after adding the prefix, it is disappear. Appear, जाहिर होना. Disappear, नज़रों से उझल हो जाना, गायब हो जाना. नज़रों से उझल हो जाना या गायब हो जाना. For example, the sun appears on the sky in the morning and disappear behind the mountain in the evening. I mean, the sun appears on the sea in the morning time and disappear behind the mountain in the evening. सूरज सुबह को समुंदर पर उभरता है या नजर आता है और शाम के औकात में वो पहाड़ों के पीछे से ओझल हो जाता है, नजरों से गायब हो जाता है, नजरों से ओझल हो जाता है. Appear, disappear. Now one more, number 10, connect. Connect, disconnect. Connect, disconnect. Now I am using this with the basic word connect. It is disconnect. Connect, जोड़ना. Disconnect, मुनक़ता करना. The electricity team reached out and disconnected our electricity. के इलेक्ट्रिक की टीम पहुंची और हमारे घर की बिजली मुनक़ता कर दी. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. अल्लाह हाफिज़.